Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you Wix website tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, go to any web browser and then type Wix. Now you have your ways in how to create an account. You can connect with your Google, connect with your Facebook, and they will ask who are you creating website for. I tap for myself and then here, online store. I will be creating website for online store. You can enter the name of your store here or you can skip. Do you have already an online store? I'll tap no and then continue. Now, what kind of products are you selling? Physical products. How are you offering products? Online store. And then click continue. And now you can continue to your dashboard. So this is Wix dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your Wix websites and businesses. It offers a variety of tools and features that help you control all aspects of your site, from design and content to analytics and marketing. But we will not be focusing on this. We will focus on how to design our site. So let me click Design Site here. Now you have two options, generate a design or pick a template. For me as a beginner, I'd like to choose pick a template here. Now you can search for a specific template. Let's just say if you are selling bags or clothes or shoes, something like that, you can search or tap the search icon. But for me, I want to choose from any of this template right here, which is this one. So to start, just click edit and you will see this. This is where we're going to design our site. Now on the left side, you will see here add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. These are the options and features which you're going to use or help you to design your site right here. And I'm going to show you how to use each of these buttons right here later. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see here, the first part right here is the header. And if you want to edit your header, all you have to do is to click this part right here. And then you will see header. Tap this one or tap this pencil icon. Then you can edit this. Same goes to the welcome section. If you want to edit this, just click this quick edit right here or tap this one and then manage or change something on your welcome section. Now we have here another section, and if you want to click or add another section here, you can basically tap add section and you can add gallery, you can add forms, you can add anything here. Okay, and if you want to edit, just click and you will see their quick edit or click this Wix Pro gallery to edit the section. So these are the sections of my site. This section is the special offer section. If you scroll down here, this one is the about section, about my site or website. This is the contact information section. And later I'm going to add section right here. Okay, and delete a section which is unnecessary. So let's first edit our header. Tap header here or tap this pencil icon or click this quick edit. And then it will take you directly to the edit section. And then as you can see, you can change the name, website, or your business. You can change by tapping this. Okay, I want to click this manage because I want to change a lot of things here on my header. Here, as you can see, this is where you can edit, delete, or do something on your site menu. So if you want to change something, you just have to click this three dots. Then you can basically edit each of the menu right here. And like what I've mentioned earlier, if you want to delete a menu, you just have to simply click this three dots and then look for the delete option. For example, the contact. You think that it's unnecessary to your website, you can tap the three dots. You can rename this one or you can delete, but it will delete everything here under this menu. Okay, so here are the other options under site pages and menu. So basically all you have to do to edit this is click and then rename. You can also add link here. You can also hide this if you want. So there are tons of things that you can do once you tap this at three dots. For example, for contact or for about, if you think that you want to add or change link here, rename, duplicate, or delete, you just have to simply click that and it will delete everything here on your about menu. Okay, if you want to add a page, then click add menu item and then tap new page. You can add here, for example, FAQ or something like that. So you can basically add a page right here if you want. So as you can see, if I tap add page, then it will let me add the following here. For example, contact, about us, or anything that I want, or I want the visitor to see once they go to my header. Okay, so I want them to see this menu. You can add it right here under side pages and menu. So basically, that's it. Like if you want to add bookings and so on. Okay, so that's how you easily add a menu item here on your header. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk is if you want to delete a feature above or icon above. For example, this one, if you think that this login option is unnecessary, you just have to click this. If you want to edit, you can edit. But if you want to delete this, then all you have to do is to press the delete button and the login option will be deleted, or right click and then tap delete. So basically, that's how you delete the login option here in your Wix website. Okay, so once you have deleted unnecessary feature here, the next thing I'm going to show you is if you want to resize or if you want to change the position or move this add to cart option, you just have to simply move. Now, if your customer or client visits your website and if they scroll down, they will see that your header is moving. Actually, it's kind of annoying. So if you want to change that, if you don't want this to move or if you want this to freeze, then all you have to do is to click this header scroll setting. And here you will have the option if you want to tap this scrolls with side, or if you want this header freezes when your customers scroll, if you want this header disappears when your customers scroll, or if you want your header face out when your customers scroll. Okay, so I want freezes. So basically, as you can see, it's not moving or the header is not moving. And that's how you edit your header. Anyways, later I'm going to show you how to add a logo here on your header. But for this time, let's talk about this social media accounts right here. If you want to add or if you want to add links, just click this set social links. And here you can add your social media account. So it's empty now. I'm going to add, for example, I'm going to add my Facebook account right here. So I'm going to click add icons, scroll down, look for the Facebook icon or logo, and then click add page. And then if I want to add or paste the URL here of my Facebook, then all I have to do is go to my Facebook, copy the link, and then paste the link right here. Also, if I want to add icon, then basically I'm going to click this add icon and then look for another social media platform here. Okay. And basically that's how you add your social media accounts here. So if your customer click this, it will take them directly to your social media account. Okay. So that's how you edit your header. Now, if you want to add, like what I've mentioned earlier, we're going to add a logo to our header. So you can add other elements if you want, but for this time, we're going to add an image. You can upload an image here from your computer, insert image, or ask AI to create a logo or image for you. Earlier, I have created this using my Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. So this is just an example. Actually, you can get a logo from Wix, but this time I'm going to use or add a logo from my computer and I use Canva for my editing. Okay, so go back to your Wix, go to upload image, upload from computer. And then as you can see, it's now uploading. And this is what it looks like. All I have to do is to resize this and then paste it above or move it right here. I can also change this. I mean, move the name of my website or the name of my business here. And then move my logo here. So this is what it looks like. And yes, you can change the name of your business if you want to. So I have changed this to Boundless Horizons. And if you want to edit the text, just click edit text. Then you have your options right here. to this text settings, all you have to do is to change your font color, font style, and then the size, and everything is up to you. So this is what it looks like. I have added the name of my business or my site. So Boundless Horizons. Now, let's move on to the welcome section. If you want to change the background of your welcome section, all you have to do is to click the picture, tap change background. You will see different or tons of backgrounds or images right here from Wix. But this time, I'm going to tap image because I have created my image from Canva. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now add this, and here it is. Okay, so here is my welcome section. If you want to edit your text right here, if you want to add the name of your site or your business, just double click, paste the name of your business, change the font color. Okay, highlight first, and then go to edit text, change the color, change everything, increase the size, and everything is up to you. Okay, also same thing with the shop now. If you want to change this, just click. You can change the name. For example, if you want to change this to add to cart or buy this or something like that, you can tap to this edit text right here and then change. Or if you want to delete, just tap the delete button. You can change the size of this so that we increase this one first. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now the name of my page or my site is visible. It's Boundless Horizon. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And beside here is my social media account. Now feel free to edit again. If you think that it's not kind of good for you, then you can just simply tap again the picture or the text and then look for the edit text or change background to edit everything here on your welcome section. Okay, now that we're done with the header and our welcome section right here, we have added the background already, changed the background and changed the text. Now let's move on to our next section. So basically, again, if you want to add a section, just click this add section right here. Okay, so this is another section where you can showcase your services or promote your pictures or your customers' experience with your business or travel agency. But before that, I'm going to show you if you want to delete a section right here, if you think that this section is not necessary because Wix already added this, right? So if you want to change this, if you want to delete this, then you can go back to your header and then tap that menu that you want to edit or you want to delete. So you have to look for that specific menu. For example, this group's menu, and you think that it's not necessary. So you just have to click this three dots and then tap delete, or you can rename this if you want. So as you can see here, you have other options. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete this part because I think this is unnecessary to my website or my site. So tap this three dots and then click delete if you want to delete a menu right here. Okay, so basically that's it. It will delete that part here. And if you go back to your header, the group menu has been deleted or removed. So basically that's how you remove this menu section here on your header. Okay, so now we're going to add again, for example, this part, the second section. This is where I'm going to promote the picture or the experience of my other customers to, of course, promote my page or promote my site. If you want to change this, just click and then you can just simply tap this quick edit. You can change the background as like what I mentioned earlier. You can get pictures from Wix. Okay, but this time I will not use my image from my Canva. I'm going to use the image from Wix. Okay, so here you can search for a specific keyword, for example, about travel, because my business is all about travel, or this one is travel agency. Then I can see a lot of pictures that I can use. You just have to select one and then go and then tap this change background and it changes the background here. If you want to change this part again, same thing, click change background, import or get from Wix, but I won't delete this. I will like replace this picture. It's also related to travel agency or about traveling. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you want to change the text, just tap edit text. For example, from shop now, you want to change this to add to cart. You say something like that. Let's just say I'm showcasing or I'm selling some products here, or let's just say items that you can use for your traveling. Okay, so you can tap or change that to add to cart. So this is what it looks like. And then here for another section below, you can see here pictures again. If you want to change these pictures, okay, basically all you have to do is to simply click this Wix Pro Gallery, and then this time you have to click this manage media. Okay, aside from that, you can also see other options right here. But if you want to change the picture, then you can simply tap and then go to manage media. It will take you directly to Wix Gallery, and then you can simply add or change your pictures right here. So let me tap this one, manage media. If you want to replace, tap replace, tap the picture replace. It will take you to Wix Gallery where you can just simply search for that specific picture that you can use to your page. So select the picture, add to page, tap again this one, and then you can replace the image and then search again and so on. So once you're done, then you can change the view if you want. And after that, all you have to do is to click this done button below. Or if you want to add a video or import a video from your computer, not from Wix, you can also do that. So basically, this is the result. And as you can see, it's very amazing, right? Now, if you want to delete a part or section which you think is unnecessary here, or if you want to replace this, so you just have to simply go to add section and then look for the specific section right here which you think is necessary to your page. And all you have to do is to drag this to that section that you want to replace. For example, context. Okay, so I have added context right here, or contact us rather. And so here it is. And what I'm going to do here is to simply change the address, the contact. Also, you can change, or I can change the opening hours. So let me add the information at my site or my office. This is what it looks like. I have also changed font color of contact us. Okay, and I have also here the map. Now we're going to scroll down here, and again, if you see a section that is unnecessary, you can delete, or we can change another one later. But let's move on to the last part, which is the footer. Now, if you want to change this like FAQ or so on, you just have to click this quick edit, and then here you can change the name or this word here on your footer. Change that to your business name or site name. You could also change some options like from groups, change this to contacts, okay, and so on. And after that, you can now go back. And if you scroll down and go to your footer section, then you see here that I have changed some of the option, also the name. Now, as you can see here, this add a form, I want to change this section. I think I want to change this to contact us. Okay, so that the customer or our client can reach or can contact us anytime. So to do that, again, you have to go to add section. And then this time you have to scroll down and look for contact and forms. Okay, contact here. And that what you're going to do is you just have to simply select that layout that you want to be added here to your page. Okay, so here are the sample layouts for contact forms. Okay, all you have to do is simply tap and then drag this to that specific section. So let's just say, for example, I choose this one, this contact form right here. I just click, or I just simply tap and then drag it right here. So here it is. Okay, so below about us, you can see the contact form. And they can just easily add their first name, their last name, email address, their concern. And then after that, they can submit and we will receive this inquiry and we will respond. So basically, that's how you add section. That's how you add contact form. here in your Wix website. Now you can edit your information here. So I have added my address and so on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Basically, this is your Wix website. So last is this about us. I am going to add the information of my website here. So go to about us and add your business information. Now we're going to tap review. And this is what it looks like if your customer or client visits your site. Okay. So how amazing it is, right? Now, if you want to edit something, if you think there is missing or a mistake, then tap back to editor and edit again some things here on your website. Okay, now once you're okay with that, then all you have to do is to simply click this publish button. And once you tap this publish button right here, you will see a link. And all you have to do is to copy that one and share that one. And above here, you can see your domain. So if you want to change this, if you want to remove this wix.com, then all you have to do is to go back and then you will see this connect to domain right here or connect your domain right here. If you have your domain, then all you have to do is to paste that or connect your domain here in your Wix. If you don't have, then Wix will offer you domains, but of course, it's not for free. So, for example, I'm going to add here like boundlesshorizon.com. They will tell you that this one is not available. So you can choose again that shop, that blog, and then they will tell you if this one is available. Then they will show you some samples of the domain that you can use. And all you have to do is to tap the domain and proceed to your payment method or checkout. So for example, if you tap let's go, then you will see here samples of domain that you can use. And if you want or you like this one, tap this get or get it. And then after that, it will take you directly to this dashboard. You have two options. If you get the domain for free with a premium plan, tap this one. It will take you directly to Wix plan right here. And all you have to do is to select, choose the premium plan that's right for your store. Now, if you just look or if you just want a domain, then you can click this buy domain only, continue, and proceed to your payment section. So you have here all the details and the amount that you need to pay. Like, for example, if you want to use this for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, and so on. And then tap continue and then pay. That's if you want to change your domain. Now, if you are curious, what does it look like if you use your mobile? What will be the outcome of your website? You can tap this mobile view right here, and you will see the result of your website using the mobile view. This is what it looks like. Okay. And if you want to tap this desktop view, then you will see the result or what it looks like if you're using your desktop or computer. As easy as that. So basically, this is how simple it is to create or let's just say use your Wix or, as a beginner, you're looking for the basic learning or basic way to create a website here in Wix. I know that you can do better than this. Okay, so basically, that's how easy it is. I really hope that you have learned something here. This is basically for beginners, and I do recommend you to use Wix, especially if you're a beginner and looking for a website or a tool which you can use or you can create your website because it has user-friendly interface, wide range of templates that you can use as a beginner, customization options, affordable pricing if you want to upgrade your plan, built-in SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and a lot more. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe and share because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.